but it is cold. Look at how cold it is. We start here at midnight with just 1 below zero, get a little spike there, and we drop to 6 below and stay at 6 below, a new record for this date. So it's a cold morning, and our future forecast hasn't quite caught up with it. It has some partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, though, and temperatures on the cold side here for the morning hours. Again, if there were clouds around, a lot of clouds, you'd see gray, but as we take you through the morning hours, you're not seeing that. Even into this afternoon, you're seeing temperatures trying to get up to the mid-teens with the sunshine. A lot of sunshine for today as we head towards, well, near 20 degrees for a high for today. And then for Don Guthrie, first news at 5 and 6. Again, we don't have the gray there, but we'll see some clouds mixing in during the evening hours and during the overnight. So we'll see increasing clouds, temperatures in the teens, but by tomorrow morning, we're looking at a little more cloud cover here, and eventually temperatures will rise for tomorrow. We're looking at highs in the mid-30s tomorrow, and there could be some light snow starting in the middle of the morning hours and maybe some light rain as we head into the afternoon hours and highs in the 30s. As for our temperatures right now, we're talking about 1 degree in Cleveland, 2 in Pittsburgh, and 6 below at the airport in Trumbull County. With 6 below, it feels like 15 below with partly cloudy skies, and sunrise at 6:57. Our weather team forecast for today, mostly sunny with a high of 19 degrees. And then for tonight, my forecast for sunset at 6:13, partly cloudy, 18 the temperature, drops to 16, and then with increasing clouds tomorrow, scattered snow mixing with rain in the afternoon, high of 36. But Sunday is the key day because this could kick off a heavy snow on Sunday with a high around 20, and then notice how the temperatures stay cold next week. Sunday into Monday could be a difficult time for us.